Iversity Skill Certification Platform Review. Usage experience. Links to the platform are included in the description below. Iversity is an online skill certification platform designed for professionals and learners looking to enhance their expertise or validate their skills with industry-recognized credentials. It offers a variety of courses across fields like business, technology, and personal development, developed by top educators and institutions. What sets Iversity apart is its focus on certification. Upon completion, you receive certificates that can boost your CV or LinkedIn profile, making it an ideal choice for career growth. Features include flexible, self-paced learning, ensuring you can fit courses into your schedule, and high-quality content that balances theory with practical application. Most courses come with engaging video lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Additionally, Iversity's interface is clean and user-friendly, allowing for seamless navigation and progress tracking. This platform is particularly suitable for working professionals, students aiming to stand out in a competitive job market, and anyone looking to acquire new skills or pivot into a different field. While the certifications hold value, it's worth noting that they may not carry the same weight as degrees or certifications from large universities or organizations. Therefore, they're best suited for supplemental learning or showcasing niche expertise. Customer feedback often praises the affordability of Iversity compared to other platforms, along with the clarity and structure of its courses. However, some users suggest more diverse course offerings to cater to emerging industries. In conclusion, Iversity is an excellent platform for upskilling and certification at an affordable price point. If you've used Iversity or are considering it, share your experiences in the comments below and check the links in the description for more information and to get started today.